Hi guys, it's me, Abby B, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I've been recording, I just haven't been uploading. It seems to be a common theme here on my channel. So today is October 2nd, and it is currently 12:55, so it's about to be 1, and I'm about to start dinner. I know it's early. My mom did this thing last week where we had like scheduled days out of the week to cook. So today we are attempting chili. I'm gonna make chili and cornbread. I know how to make cornbread. Not too sure about the chili part. Alright, I'm about to look up the recipe on my iPad and see if I can make this meal. This is literally only a video that I'm making because 1, I'm going to record my cooking process. 2, the goal for the final quarter for me, the 4th quarter, is to be consistent at the things that I want to do in my life, as in like bettering my life. Well, whatever. I'm going to the gym. I've gone to the gym the past 3 days, and everyone's like so hyped about this winter arc situation. Not really. I don't know. I've been working out more consistently. I just need to like make it consistent and keep sticking to a routine, you know, discipline, all that stuff. And then today, even though it is the 2nd, I'm not going to discourage myself. I started a journal because I want to start journaling. And I'm going to put that into my everyday practice. And then my 3rd thing for my goal is to upload consistently. That's been my goal, right? I've been saying it out loud, but I actually have to put it in practice. So we're going to record this video, then we're going to edit her up, then we're going to upload it, you know? Yeah, that's what we're going to do. The Bennett's Residency. This is Miss Abby.
Hi, Miss Abby. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well, but I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm about to cook.
Oh,
I'm putting it in. Oh, I forgot I had on. Don't mind my appearance. I forgot. And then also don't mind my nails. Okay. I got to phone my mom because I need to figure out the things that I really needed, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you everything that I have, and then I'm gonna start prepping. Right now, the ground beef, I just turned the hot water on and I'm letting it sit. This is a onion. Okay, I don't know how to slice her up, but we're gonna slice her up. This is a garlic. I've seen people like do it. I have to do it myself, you know. We have salt. These are the seasonings: salt, pepper, the organic pepper. Don't know why I chose that one. We have a little bit of paprika. We have some chili powder, and that's it for the seasonings. It would say, or it did say like red chili pepper and cayenne pepper, however you want to say it. But me and my mom will do that ourselves because my brother and my dad, they don't eat spicy stuff. So we have the diced tomatoes and green chilies by Rotel, whatever. I don't know. Instead of the tomato paste to thicken it, we're gonna add. We're just not gonna use it. Instead of like me cooking like tomatoes or whatnot, we're gonna use the Hunt's diced tomatoes that are like already cooked or steam peeled, and it has basil, garlic, and oregano. The beans of my choice is dark kidney beans and chili beans, pinto beans. Yeah, and then we have the beef broth. And then there's 2 things of ground beef that I could cook, but instead of doing that, I'm only going to use 1 packet. And then there's hamburger patties that's already thawed out, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to fry her a little up, and then I'm going to put everything in the crock pot because yeah. Yeah. Let's see if this makes me cry. I haven't cried in a long time, so I'm just going to do this. And I think this is wrong. wasn't bad. I wouldn't say it was the best, but I'm done chopping, and as soon as I got done, I started like feeling that feeling, I guess, is like burning. Not really, but I'm done. These are my onions. Now let's fill this. I see people like pilling it. No, if you're trying to cook this chili based off of me, please don't. This is my first time making chili, if you cannot tell. I'm gonna do it either way. I'm just gonna cut all that. Alright. Added in the hamburger patties. So some Italian seasoning and seasoning salt. And salt, pepper. I'm gonna cook this a little bit. Y'all, look at this concoction. And I'm going to go ahead and start on putting everything in the pot. Okay, so the chili is cooking. Let's listen to her. I'm about to make cornbread. If you don't know how to make cornbread, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. The mix. Okay, I'm gonna crack an egg. With milk.